overwhelmed with joy with this temperature. Don't know what you're doing, sir. Taking a... Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Progressive braking. Well done, Mitchell. What's up, world? What's going on? Welcome to another one. It's me, your favorite cafe racer moto vlogger. I am here. It's 2:30 in the afternoon on a work day. I arranged to take my break before the sun went down, because god damn it, it's 52 degrees out right now. Feels like summer. Feels like summer. Basically. I'm only wearing 3 layers right now. Actually, no, that's not true. 4 layers. I have a t-shirt on underneath my long sleeve. But that doesn't even count. That's basically just like, it's practically underwear. You know? I don't know what direction I'm gonna go. I was gonna go south, but here I am riding north. So I guess I'm going north. Dog. Oh, it's an absolutely beautiful day. I've been working and I'm hearing Harleys going brapping by, sometimes in large groups, and I think, you know, gotta get out there, gotta attack it. Here's a little motorcyclist. A little man on a motorcycle. Now I'm big pumped. This is like the motorcycling gods being nice, because it's supposed to be on my 4 days off that I've got after New Year's. It's supposed to be pretty good weather, and I was just saying last night, I'm like, I think I'm going to try and get a lot of riding in, at least 2 of those 4 days. I think one of the nice days, temperature wise, it's going to be raining, so that might not be worth it, but it's also kind of funny that I get heated gloves yesterday for winter riding, and then the next day it's 52 degrees. I didn't even need them last night, arguably, for my little test ride. It just wasn't really that cold, but we're out here. We just want to get out here, you know? Enjoy ourselves. Splishing and a splashing. What way do we go? I want to go a little more of like a fun way today, but oh, construction's ahead. Which way are they? Are they straight or are they left? I'm going the way the construction doesn't appear to be. I think it's straight. So we're gonna do a really bad rev match. Really bad. Really bad. What are you doing, Subi? I don't know, bro. It's funny because it's like, it gets nice outside and people want to take their cars out for a nice day, you know? And I just think, I wonder if any of them look at the motorcyclists and say, shit, they are really enjoying this nice weather today. You know? Thought about putting on music. I don't think I need it, you know. Don't need it. I'm overwhelmed with joy with this temperature. Big pothole. Well, not really, not large, but deep. Trying to figure out, I feel like the whistling at speed in my helmet, like I can kind of, I feel like I should explain it a little bit. If I really try hard to listen for it, I can hear it. I wouldn't say it doesn't bother me, but it totally gets picked up on the microphone. If I'm listening for it in my head or in the helmet, just me, I can kind of pick it out. But I think ever since I got this gold visor for my helmet, I think the clamp doesn't clamp like as well, or I don't know if like a piece was broken off or I broke a piece off or what, but it does not seem, I think it's gotten worse compared to my regular just tinted visor, you know. Don't know what you're doing, sir. Taking a whoa. Progressive braking. Well done, Mitchell. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Hosting a poker game at the end of the month, January. Little fun game. I used to play a lot of poker. A lot of poker used to be played by me. There was probably like a 2 or 3 year stretch. I was playing like 3 or 4 nights a week. Going to the casino a lot too. You know, interesting spot to stop, sir. Whoa, they cleared all that out. I think, yeah, there he is, clearing it out. Good day for it. What a nice guy. He gave me a thumbs up. Got a bop, boom, pow. Yeah, dude, this shit is like not sealed all the way. I could tell. I can tell. I can feel it. Sand. Runner. Massive flag pole for a house. Come on, now we go. My dudes, my everybody. Yeah, I mean, I could have gone out on my normal break time and gone for a ride, but it just wouldn't have been the same, you know. Wouldn't have made for a good vlog. I don't think the night vlogs are great, you know, like they're gonna keep going up if I record when I'm at night or out at night, or like I feel like, you know, going out and cruising these little back roads like this, I know them, so I do them in the dark, but it's probably not the most entertaining footage out there, I must admit. Gotta be mission oriented, I think. Next year's trees. And the next year's trees. Well done, doggo. reflect much at night or in the day. At day. How come people don't say that? They say at night, but they don't say at day. At sunlight. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. I love you. Thanks for tuning in to all of these, and thanks for subscribing. I'm real close to 100 subscribers, and my fiance said she'd take me out to dinner when I get 100 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That would be cool. Okay, I love ya. Bye.